Assalamu alaikum. This is Discrete Homotopy Theory lecture series. So today our topic is shrinking map. So what is the definition of shrinking map? So let's say m comma n belongs to the natural number union infinity. Means m comma n may be finite number, belongs to natural number, may be infinite number. Okay. So a shrinking map is a surjective function. Okay. A shrinking map is a surjective and order preserving map. Okay. What type of order preserving map? From this IM to IN means IM graph interval to IN graph interval map given a path. There is a path f from x to y. What type of path? This is a graph map from IN to x such that if we substitute 0, we will get x, and if we substitute n, we will get y. So means f is a path from x to y of length n. Okay, m length path in a graph x and shrinking map. And we have a shrinking map. What type of shrinking map? From IM graph interval to graph IN graph interval. The composition, if we compose the both paths, f compose S is a path in x of length m. If we compose shrinking map with this map, so there is a path. This is a path in x of length m from x to y traversing the same sequences of edges as f, as like f. We say that the path f compose and s and f are reparameterization of each other. Okay, let's see this in computational form. So let's say shrinking map. We have a shrinking map from IM to IN. This is an order preserving map and surjective map. Okay. Order. What is the meaning of order preserving map? Let's say we have a x and x prime. So shrinking map send x to sx and send x prime to sx prime. And if there is an edge between x and x dash, it should be an edge between sx and x dash. Okay. And this is a surjective map. And we have another species, this discrete homotopy path. So what is the path and length of path from x to y, or we can say x to x prime. So f x to y is a path from IN to x such that if we substitute 0, so we get x, and if we substitute n, we get y. Okay. So if we compose path with shrinking map, means we have a shrinking map from IM to IN, and we have a path from IN to X. So we can compose gamma compose S, or we can say F compose S is a map, shrinking map from path from IM to X. What type of map? If we substitute 0, if we substitute 0 in this map, F compose S, so we will get according to this definition, we get 0, so we get X. And if we substitute M, the last point in S of M, so we will get, according to the definition of shrinking map, M send to N, so we get N. So according to the path definition, we get Y. So gamma compose S, or we can say F compose S, is a is a path from X to Y of length M. Okay, while F is a path from X to Y, X to Y, X to Y, X to Y path, X to Y path of length N, means F is a path from X to Y of N length path. Okay, and F compose S is a path from X to Y of same edges of M length path. So we can say F and F compose S are the paths of reparameterization of each other. Okay, so we can say both the paths are reparameterization of each other. So let's end this video. Inshallah, I will make video for further topics in next video. Allah Hafiz. Please share, subscribe my channel.